trees are plants. Most trees have leaves, trunk and branches. There are two types of trees, coniferous and deciduous. Deciduous trees lose their leaves in winter, like this. And that's a coniferous tree. Trees are the opposite of humans. They take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Trees protect soil, water and air. One mature tree like this can take in up to 40 pounds of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere per year. There are 31 species of deciduous tree and shrub native to Scotland. Trees provide shelter and habitat for animals. Trees are some of the oldest living things on Earth. Scotland has lost over 90% of its natural woodland. Loss of woodland leads to too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which means rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and rising ocean levels. Trees are vitally important to the world as we know it to help stop climate change. We will not survive without trees. Animals are dying because of cutting down trees, and that's making me really sad. We want you to plant a tree, stop cutting down trees, reduce your use of fossil fuels and help our environment.
I am a tree, and I love carbon dioxide. Yum, yum, yum. We need more trees like me to help restore our ecosystem. We're going to show you how to plant a tree.
It's important to plant native trees. We're planting oak, hazel and rowan. They're all native trees to Scotland. All trees need soil, water and light to survive. Plant a tree 2 meters apart for enough light and space to grow. Dig a hole to make sure that the tree's roots have good contact with the soil. When you plant a tree, you need to put this tree guard over it so browsing animals don't get in to eat it. Some trees need weeding and watering. Planting trees makes me feel good. It embraces me in the outdoors. And it's also good for my mental health.